Thanks for clicking the link here at the Sunshine Coast Best Used Cars. Here we've got a 2012 Holden Commodore BE Series 2 SV6. It's done 82,000 kilometres. Lovely grey colour. Taking a look inside here, as you can see, it's got leather electric seats, cruise control, navigation, everything you need, Bluetooth, 6-speed with Triptonic gearbox. Coming around the side again here, as you can see, being a wagon, it's got plenty of boot space. With that sporty look that they all have. Taking a look inside here, you can see that has all the books there, with the Holden service history all the way up to the end there. Plenty of storage space in there. Leather seats at the back. All round tidy car. Come down and check it out. Come for a drive. 952 Nambour Connection Road. Come and see us and hopefully we can get up a deal for you.